Hi everyone, it's Puppy. I miss you very much. We're going to do an activity together. We're making a boat. So you're gonna need a plastic bottle, some duct tape, some chopsticks. I have plastic ones, you can use the wooden ones, and then a piece of cardboard, scissors, and one rubber band. So you're going to rip a piece of duct tape off. You might need help. I like ripping it and not cutting it. So you're going to then put your chopsticks against your bottle, leave the bottom of the chopsticks hanging off the bottom of the bottle, secure it with the duct tape, like so. Then you're going to do the same thing with the other pair of chopsticks to the other side. So you see how I'm doing it opposite. So on one side I make it the same on the other side. And then again, secure it with duct tape. There we go. Alright, now that you have that, you're going to do like one wrap around with the duct tape as a whole. Make sure it's secure there and the chopsticks won't move. And, oh, I ripped the duct tape and it's not going well, so I'm going to cut it, which also didn't go well. See, help is necessary. Send help. There we go. So it should look something like this. Alright, you see the chopstick hanging off the end? That's where we're going to put our rubber band. So go ahead and put the rubber band around the chopsticks like this. If it's too loose, you just have to double wrap it and tie it. So make sure the rubber band does not snap because that is not fun. But you want the rubber bands to still be like next to each other. So you then get your cardboard, you're going to cut it smaller. It has to fit between the chopsticks, so make sure you cut like a thin piece but not too thin or not too skinny, because the cardboard's going to act as a paddle so that our boat can move on its own. How exciting is that? I really miss you all. I hope you've been having a good time. Anyways, now we are going to have to wrap our cardboard with duct tape. This is really important so the cardboard doesn't get soggy in the water. Ooh, there we go. But you see how there's a piece of cardboard still like open, so I'm going to wrap it one more time the other way. Ask for help if you need it. And rip. And make sure that all that cardboard is secure and away and like, you know, folded away so water doesn't get in. Now you're going to put the cardboard between the rubber bands like this and wind it up. This is how you wind it up. I found that winding it up like a lot of times made the boat move further. So you see I failed the first time, which is okay to fail. Try a few more times and you get used to it. So I hope you guys had fun with that. I miss you a lot. Have a great rest of your day or a week or whatever it is. Stay healthy and happy. Bye all.